grateful to have Senator Schumer here and to make his visit here. I think it's outstanding that he makes it a point to visit every county in his state every year. And it's great, it's perfect timing to have you here at the hospital, given what we're going through here. And I want to thank the senator for helping us at the county level with American Rescue money. It came direct to the county.
Make sure.
Did a detour.
Nope.
Yep. And we
Albany
appreciate
saw
it.
it, you would never have seen it.
And also for the CARES Act, the money that has come to the hospitals thus far, and also for your support in helping us get the remainder of it to our hospitals. It's really needed.
First, this is my 23rd year as senator, and this is my 23rd year visiting every county every year. Wyoming County is last but not least. I have witnesses, we have now completed our county tour. Right now, we're seeing an increase, a significant increase. Wyoming County is the highest, I think, positivity rate in New York State. I think it's 16%. Is that right? And what that's meant is the governor has said that they don't want them to do elective surgery to make sure they can prepare for COVID. But that takes money away from this hospital. And if they don't get money for elective surgery, they can't pay all their employees. And you lose a nurse or a clerical worker, and they never come back, as we're seeing. That's terrible. So today I'm calling on a two-pronged plan that to help our hospitals here in Western New York, which are now under more duress than they've been. First, I'm urging the Health and Human Services to stop using old data and prioritize the hospitals that are facing the current crisis, like Wyoming. There's $17 billion still sitting there of money we allocate. If they use the old formulas, this hospital will get very little. If they use a new formula based on COVID, based on stopping elective surgery, the hospital will get a lot more money. Okay? So that's important. They can't use the old data. When Wyoming and other New York State hospitals applied for the $17 billion Phase 4 grant, it was a month ago. So the data didn't reflect the recent increase in the surge of COVID, okay? And there are lots of hospitals. We now have 30 financially distressed hospitals in New York. Only one of two owned by counties, yet they're on the front lines. So they need this help. And second, once they redo the formula, I'm asking the HHS to get the money out ASAP. They can't wait. If money's not coming in and they can't pay the nurses or the doctors or the clerical workers. But right now, specifically, we have a specific problem at many of our upstate hospitals. We need to get the money out quickly, and I'm going to fight tooth and nail to make sure Wyoming County Hospital and hospitals like it, particularly smaller and rural hospitals, but even hospitals in big ones like ECMC and Strong Memorial are having trouble as well, so we need to get help to all of them. Okay, I think I've covered it.
Senator Schumer, and thank you for your continued support of Wyoming County Community Health System and healthcare across New York State. Since the beginning, Wyoming County Community Health System has met the pandemic head-on. The response has been 21 months long, and although tired, our incredible team continues to provide exceptional care for all those who come through our doors. Infection rates in our region are spiking, and our hospitals are over capacity. WCCHS is one of 32 hospitals in New York with fewer than 10% bed capacity, and we have suspended elective surgeries to care for the current surge. We need all hands on deck to care for the increasing number of patients being admitted while addressing the burden of increased costs required to provide this care. WCCHS has seen great support from our government leaders on the county, state, and federal levels. Through the federal COVID relief bills championed by Senator Schumer, WCCHS has already received over $6 billion in federal aid. This helps sustain us so far. And now that the pandemic is worsening again, we appreciate Senator Schumer's push to help significantly impacted hospitals like WCCHS access additional federal relief funding.
Thank you, Joe. Thank you very much.